Next is the 1969 Ford Ranchero 500 Rio Grande.
Yes.
Calypso Coral over black, 50,000 actual miles, one of 819 built.
I learned a lot about that model doing the research on that.
Long-term ownership, 351 cubic inch V8, FMX 3-speed automatic, and it's got a Marty report. So it tells you, again, what it was born with, how many of them that were made like that, like the one of 819 built.
It's a very uncommon spec.